few days ago, I flew my electric sniffer in the afternoon after flying my jet model in the morning. The wind had come up and it had gotten cloudier in the afternoon. The little plane handled the wind pretty well. I found it interesting how the plane drifted around the field. I think the average speed was probably around 6 miles an hour, but I recorded a gust of over 10 miles an hour with my Kestrel. This plane has a low kV motor, so it doesn't climb too fast, but I let it run for like 20 seconds, and here is about the strongest wind I had seen. Besides observing how the plane flew in the wind, I was using this as a chance to use my BMK GPS system some more, and I was looking at the app also, and I decided that there's really more I need to learn about that. The wind was pretty much down the field and across at an angle, but the drift of the plane seemed to go about every direction. Sometimes it would go downwind and then it'd go upwind like it did here. I assume it has something to do with thermals. So I imported the data into Google Earth and created the Google Earth maps, and you can see kind of the crazy patterns. It was so windy the plane would land good, but then it would tip over because the wind would blow it over. Here's an app screen from flying at that location. I took the plane over to a local park today and did some more testing with the app. First, you want to turn up the brightness on the phone so you can see the screen. The next thing I did was I renamed the beacon to the name of the plane I was flying. Another thing I discovered, when you have the latitude, longitude coordinates, if you click on that, it'll bring up Google Maps to show you directions. And clicking on the icon on the lower left is where you change to the different screens. There's a whole bunch of different screens that you can see. I need to do a more detailed video on this when I have worked with it more and can explain it better.